Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the Lamborghini Urus, and we have upgraded this particular vehicle with a product that is incredibly special. The product itself is something called Target Blu. You may have heard it before, you may have seen it on our channel before, or across any of our other social media platforms like TikTok and all over the place. Target Blu is an emergency service warning device that alerts you as a driver of marked and unmarked vehicles. Yes, you heard me correctly, but not only that, it is fully integrated into the vehicle. We've actually installed this into the factory Lamborghini rear view mirror. It looks absolutely bonkers. Basically, when you get in the car, you turn the car on. Inside the factory mirror, we've actually taken that apart, added our LCD board into the factory mirror, which is no easy task. Then what we've done is it basically lights up and it goes from green to red as you approach marked and unmarked vehicles. Absolutely bonkers, and I hate driving a car without it. So what is involved on the actual install? Basically, obviously dismantling that factory mirror and adding the board inside there, and that actually routes down to a control box which is hidden away. You don't need to access that, it's hidden away and professionally installed. Then you actually got an antenna run that goes in the front bumper, which basically is picking up on something called Tetra. So the emergency services currently are using a bandwidth called Tetra to communicate, and that is all the product does. The reason why it is completely legal to have this installed on your vehicle, because it doesn't distinguish the difference between an ambulance, for example, and an unmarked police car. So it is a really valuable bit of kit that actually helps with road safety, and the whole purpose of it is, for example, say you're driving along on the motorway, and maybe, for example, you've got basically a police car or an ambulance coming up behind you, needs you to move out of the way. Sometimes, you know what it's like, guys, you might have your music turned up, you might not be paying as much attention as you should be, but then that is where this sort of product comes in. Because it alerts you by a visual tone as well as audible alert up onto that mirror, it actually works really nicely, because what happens is basically that gets your attention and it alerts you that something's approaching, and to be more aware that you can safely slow down, move out of the way of that approaching emergency service vehicle, whether that be a fire truck or unmarked police car or whatever it might be. You guys are getting informed ahead of time, so you guys know exactly when to move out of the way safely, and also not kind of having that kind of quick adjustment when you're driving to kind of swerve out of the way when you don't notice a police car, for example, or an ambulance coming from behind you, or even in front of you if you're approaching like a roundabout situation. So overall, a wicked bit of kit. Really important that you guys understand how the system works. But basically it goes from green to red as they approach you or you approach them, so you are informed ahead of time. And we've also got loads more details on our website, as well as a whole separate video done on exactly how Target Blu works, so make sure you go check that out as well. But that is another vehicle. We completed another one yesterday. We do a hell of a lot of these, guys, and that is the reason why people travel all over the country, and this is actually the third time we've done that on this customer's car. It is incredible. Once you have driven with it, there is honestly no going back. It is absolutely incredible, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and you've seen another Target Blu install on an incredibly special car. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.